hazardous material spills, or other emergencies. This station provides this service free of charge as a part of our commitment to serve the community. Stay informed and safe by listening and watching your favorite local radio, television, and cable stations. This concludes today's test of the emergency alert system.
Times, tune to a participating radio or television station for directions, safety instructions, and other official information. This concludes this test of the Southern Nevada/Inyo County, California Emergency Alert System. EOC 1.